An investigation is currently underway to determine the circumstances which led to the death of a 3-year-old at the Black River Hospital on Wednesday. The police were called in as angry protesters blocked the hospital's entrance for hours, restricting vehicular access to demand answers. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that story.
Relatives consoling Ann Bruce as she tries to cope with the loss of her 3-year-old daughter Taisha Bennett. What was supposed to be just a doctor's visit to the Black River Hospital turned tragic and has left residents upset.
The hospital is too slack. My baby gone. This can't bring back my baby. But we want the hospital to be a better hospital because they keep on said, enough doctor there here. And still I'm going to tell we say, one doctor did there when time the baby come in, an emergency case. My baby's an emergency.
Miss Bruce told TVJ News she took 3-year-old Taisha to the Black River Hospital shortly after 8 Wednesday morning and informed nurses that her daughter, who was complaining of pain, also had difficulty breathing. She completed the registration process and waited in the accident and emergency area. But after waiting for hours, she pled for assistance.
I see a lady, write up some paper, and I go to her and say, "Excuse me, miss, are you a doctor?" And she say, "Yes." I say, "You can help me with the baby because she breathe heavily and she under pain. She find a man in a wheelchair and say, me have an emergency if you deal with when you don't deal with it."
That was just the beginning. As she waited, the baby continued crying. So she then appealed to another employee to help.
He called 2 ladies, one with a baby, and then he called my daughter name. Me so glad now think say my baby I go get help. Me go sit down on the chair now. That time when I lady gone in already, you know, me go sit down on the chair when her hand stiff. And when me feel the other one is stiff, same way. And the 2 leg, me feel 2 leg and 2 legs stiff. And same time me ball out.
Yes,
and push the doctor door. I said, "Doctor, help me with the baby. My baby is dead for me."
Moments after, 3-year-old Taisha was pronounced dead. Now, residents and relatives have blamed the baby's death on negligence. We contacted parish manager for the St. Elizabeth Health Services, Sean Brissett, who said he is not able to comment on the matter as it's currently being investigated. Now, Mr. Brissett added that a preliminary report is currently being prepared and will provide details as it becomes available. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.